Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're talking about a game changer in the realm of natural health supplements.
If you've been on the lookout for the best antibiotic for tooth infection that's not penicillin, you're in the right place. Let's introduce you to Ampitrexyl Plus. Ampitrexyl Plus, brought to you by Promex LLC, isn't just your average supplement.
Packed with powerful natural ingredients and boasting an impressive lineup of benefits, this little capsule is making big waves in the health community.
What sets Ampitrexyl Plus apart from the rest?
Let's break it down. First off, it's 100% natural.
That means no synthetic additives or harsh chemicals. Just pure, potent goodness derived from Mother Nature herself.
Inside each capsule, you'll find a carefully crafted blend of immune-boosting ingredients.
From vitamin C and zinc to bee propolis and echinacea, Ampitrexyl Plus is like a superhero squad for your immune system. But here's where it gets even better.
Ampitrexyl Plus isn't just about immune support. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to antioxidant protection. Say goodbye to free radicals and hello to healthier cells. And let's talk versatility. Whether you're looking to ward off illness, recover from a cold, or simply maintain your overall health, Ampitrexyl Plus has your back. It's your go-to solution for staying strong and vibrant year-round. Now, I know what you're thinking.
With so many supplements out there, why choose Ampitrexyl Plus? Well, aside from its unbeatable formula, it's also backed by rave reviews from satisfied customers.
Just take a look at what people are saying. From improved digestion to relief from toothaches, the benefits speak for themselves. Plus, with its easy-to-swallow capsules and minimal side effects, it's a no-brainer. So, whether you're battling a tooth infection, boosting your immunity, or simply striving for better health, Ampitrexyl Plus is the natural solution you've been searching for. Trust me, your body will thank you.
That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Product Critique.